Hi everyone! Welcome today. We're diving into something that makes reading easier, faster, and the way more fun. What is this? It's phonics. Okay, let's begin our exciting journey into the world of sounds and letters. Ah, ah, ah. Apple, apple, apple. Ah, ah, ah. B, B, B. Ball, ball, ball. C, C, C. Cat, cat, cat. D, D, D. Dog, dog, dog. D, d, d. E, E, E. Eagle, eagle, eagle. F, F, F. Feather, feather, feather. G, goat, goat, goat. G, g, g. H, H, H. Hat, hat, hat. I, I, I. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. E, E, E. G, G, G. Jar, jar, jar. J, j, j. K, K, K. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. K, k, k. L, L, L. Lion, lion, lion. L, L, L. M, M, M. Muffin, muffin, muffin. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Nursery, nursery, nursery. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, oh, oh. Octopus, octopus, octopus. Oh, oh, oh. P, P, P. Pirate, pirate, pirate. Q, Q, Q. Green, green, green. R, R, R. Razor, razor, razor. R, R, R. S, S, S. Surfer, surfer, surfer. S, S, S. T, T, T. Truck, truck, truck. T, T, T. U. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. U. V. Vest, vest, vest. V, v, v. W. Winter, winter, winter. W, w, w. X. Xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. X, X, X. Y. yellow, yellow, yellow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Z, zebra, zebra, zebra. Z. Okay, that's all the English alphabet phonics sounds. Did you get it? Okay. Okay, see you to another video. Bye.